Hi, and welcome again to the Consistency Queen podcast. My name is Elsa Morgan. This is part 3 of the 6-figure series. And today I want to talk to you about something that not a lot of people talk about. In fact, I think this is probably one of the key things that actually stops people from achieving the potential and building a 6-figure plus business. See, the thing is that a lot of people want to build a 6-figure business. A lot of people have a desire to achieve 6-figure plus, 7 figures, 8 figures. But the actual desire of doing it, the actual, fantasy of doing it, the actual, idea of building a business like that is fun. You can dream about it, you can visualize about it, but the reality of doing it is a whole different story. And the thing that really separates those that do build a 6-figure plus business versus those that never ever reach their potential oftentimes is not about their skill set. It's not about their potential to do it. It's because they haven't made a real decision that they are going to do it. You see, when you make a real decision, you're going to build this thing no matter what. This means that you are going to prioritize building this business no matter what. This means that no matter what kind of day you have on any kind of day, that you're going to show up the next day and give it the same kind of energy that it required today. That means that every single day is another opportunity for you to go and make meaningful change in this world. And that's the kind of energy and focus that you need to be building 6-figure plus businesses. It's not one that you can just do the bare minimum and hope and pray and post and not engage and not follow up and not do the personal development and not expand your network. It's not the kind of business where you can just invest in a course and then just go, okay, I've learned what I've had to do and I have a business. No, building a 6-figure business requires you to be able to show up every single day for yourself, for your family, for your potential clients, for everyone that's watching you. You see, a lot of people think that building a 6-figure business is about lattes and just hanging out at the beach and, having all this time in the world. And let me tell you, those days come. They do come. But when you are launching or when you're scaling beyond 6 figures, there is a level of commitment that is required. There is a level of focus that you need to have, and you need to prioritize it. This thing can't be something that you just squeeze in when you have time. You have to make it a priority. You need to make sure that this thing is going to be done by you every single day. That means you're going to be putting effort behind it and for it every single day. If you haven't made a real decision where you're prepared to walk away from all things that you know, if you haven't made a decision where you're going to hit this thing, you're going to achieve this thing no matter what, if you haven't decided that you're going to become that version that achieves those results, then you haven't really made a decision. Because when you make a decision, you know that you are committed to a process of evolution and change. You understand that this is something that you need to tackle every single day. You're going to have to learn to become that version every single day. You're going to skill up every single week, every single month, so that way you stay relevant and you're going to be able to help more and more people. This is not something that is a one and done thing. This is an evolution and a growth thing. And when you realize that building a 6-figure plus business is all about becoming the best version that you can become to then go help other people achieve where you are right now, then you'll understand why most people never ever get there. Because they believe, most people, that they could just decide to start a business and then they have a business and then they'll post on social media and then it's just going to miraculously happen. It doesn't. Not in the beginning. Once you have influence, you will have people coming into your inbox. You will have people wanting to engage with you. But until such time, you need to go to it. You need to launch. You need to market yourself. You need to put yourself on other people's platforms. You need to go onto podcasts. You need to show people how you've transformed so that other people can see how you can help them. And until you understand that making a decision is more than just starting a business, it's about building up who you are already inside. It's about building this business from scratch. It's about becoming that version that goes out and help hundreds, thousands, millions of people. And so once you understand that building a 6-figure plus business is more than just thinking that you have a program. It's more than just registering your business and you have a business. It's about making a commitment that you will build this thing until you get there, and until you decide that you will get there, that you will work towards that until you get there. You haven't made a decision, because making a real decision means that you're going to build this and you're going to work towards it regardless of what you experience day by day, regardless of the objections, regardless of the no's, regardless of all the empty days at the very beginning, that you're going to do this no matter what. And until you make that decision, it's going to elude you. So today I ask you to have an internal chat, to have a real chat with yourself, a conversation about how committed you are to build this business. How real are you about getting this done? How committed are you to achieving this no matter what? And how committed are you to prioritizing this into your calendar and working at this no matter what comes your way? When you decide that you're going to build this until you get there, you do. You achieve it. But if you just make a decision and then you expect it to come your way, this is not about building a meaningful business. This is all about you. When you make it all about you, you know what ends up happening? It ends up being about you and only you, little old you, all by yourself. And when you understand that once you take yourself out of the equation, you decide to become that version to build that six-figure business, you decide that you're going to build this no matter what, you end up achieving it. So I hope this has been of value to you. I hope you understand exactly where I'm coming from. And if you're wanting a no BS mentor that can really teach you and help you to build a six-figure business, I have my free group, Empower Her, and you can hop in at facebook.com/group/Empower Her Legacy. And I provide free masterclasses every single week and give you tips, tricks, and strategies every single day to build towards your six-figure business. I look forward to seeing you on the next episode on the Consistency Queen. My name is Elsa Morgan. Thank you.